Assalamu alaikum. Today we will show you how to replace the spiral cable on a Toyota Hilux. First, you will need these tools: a screwdriver, thin screwdriver for removing the steering side cover, a star screwdriver, and a 19mm socket and wrench. Remove the steering side panels and loosen the star screws on both sides using the star screwdriver. Next, we will remove the airbag cover. We will disconnect the airbag cable and the horn cable. Now we will open the steering column using a 19mm socket. Don't completely remove the bolt, just loosen it enough to tap the steering wheel from above. Then, wiggle the steering wheel by hand to loosen it further. Once loose, remove the bolt completely and take off the steering wheel. There are two screws holding a cover. Remove these screws using a screwdriver. Another screw is located under this cover. Remove it as well. Now remove the cover and you'll see the spiral cable. Disconnect the airbag and horn connectors. Then, using your hands and a screwdriver, you remove the old spiral cable and install the new one. Reattach the connectors and put the cover back on, tightening the screws. Reinstall the steering wheel and tighten the bolt. Carefully connect the airbag and horn plugs. Finally, put the airbag cover back on and tighten the star screws. Reattach the side covers and you're done.